A genuine Suzuki Cultus VXRI under 8 lakh? Watch till the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a very clean, well-maintained, and reliable Suzuki Cultus VXRI 2008 model, available for sale in Hyderabad. This car is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and dependable hatchback. Whether it's for daily commuting, family use, or city driving, this Cultus is an excellent choice. Let's start with the engine and performance. This car comes with a EFI engine, which provides smooth acceleration, reliable performance, and excellent fuel economy. EFI engines are known for their efficiency, low maintenance, and durability, making them a preferred choice for people who drive regularly in the city or on highways. The engine in this Cultus runs smoothly, there are no unusual sounds or vibrations, and it delivers consistent performance whether you are in heavy traffic or cruising on longer roads. Now let's move to the interior. The inside of this Cultus is 100% genuine, which is extremely important for serious buyers. The seats are in very good condition, the dashboard is neat, and all switches and controls work properly. The interior has been well maintained over the years, showing that the previous owner took good care of this vehicle. The cabin is clean and comfortable, making it a suitable car for families, professionals, and anyone looking for a car in excellent condition. Moving on to the exterior. The car has had a fresh shower for a neat and presentable look, giving it an almost new appearance. There are no major accidents, no structural damage, and no cutting or welding. The doors, panels, and body lines are all in good shape. This is important because it ensures that the car is safe, durable, and aesthetically appealing. Overall, the exterior condition complements the clean and genuine interior perfectly. The suspension and drive of this car are excellent. The steering is responsive, the suspension is stable, and the brakes work efficiently. The car is easy to maneuver in city traffic, tight parking spots, and even on rougher roads. It provides a comfortable and smooth ride, which is one of the reasons why Suzuki Cultus is so popular in Pakistan. Another major advantage of this car is its fuel efficiency. Being an EFI engine, it consumes less fuel compared to carburetor models, which makes it an economical option for daily commuting. With fuel prices rising, a car like this can save you a significant amount on monthly expenses, while still offering a reliable and smooth drive. The maintenance of this car is simple and cost-effective. Spare parts for Suzuki Cultus are widely available, affordable, and easy to install. This means you won't have to worry about expensive repairs or long downtimes. It's a car that keeps ownership stress-free. The demand for this vehicle is 8 lakh, which is very reasonable for its condition, age, and originality. Considering the genuine interior, clean exterior, EFI engine, and overall well-maintained state, this is a highly attractive deal for anyone in Hyderabad or nearby areas. Round pushpin location, Hyderabad. Money bag demand, 8 lakh. White heavy checkmark serious buyers only. Outgoing email symbol contact inbox for details. This Cultus is perfect for first-time car buyers, budget-conscious families, people looking for reliable daily drivers, anyone who wants a low-maintenance Japanese hatchback. In conclusion, this is a just buy and drive car. No major work is required, the engine is in excellent condition, the interior is fully genuine, and the exterior looks neat and presentable. It is a perfect example of why Suzuki Cultus continues to be one of the most trusted cars in Pakistan. For those seriously interested, I encourage you to contact via inbox as this is an urgent sale, and cars in this condition and price range do not stay available for long. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family who are looking for a clean, budget-friendly car. Stay tuned for more honest car reviews and genuine deals from Pakistan's market. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safely, and make a smart choice.